Hey YouTube, this is Gracie and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to stylize these metal cups that I got from Pier 1 Imports quite a while ago. I knew instantly as soon as I saw this black metal cup that I needed to do something Star Wars related, and I needed all three colors to do so. So I figure we're going to take some vinyl and make some really cool designs somehow. I don't know how, but we're gonna learn together. And we're going to put either a Star Wars style emblem on here or a Darth Vader. Then on this one in the middle here, obviously we're gonna do a Stormtrooper. And then on this last one, I think we're gonna have to do an R2-D2 on here. So if you enjoy this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I am trying my hardest to get to 200 subscribers. So please hit that subscribe button. I got this removable vinyl from the dollar store and they all worked out pretty good except for the red color, which you'll see towards the end. The first thing I did was I took a sheet of the black and laid it down, smoothed it out onto my cutting board. Then I cut off the excess. After I load the Cricut cutting board, I am showing you some screenshots of the way I edited the Stormtrooper head. And it was a real simple process. It's very easy. And if you want to see a full tutorial on how to use this Cricut Maker, I highly recommend looking it up on YouTube and seeing how other YouTubers use it. But it's actually very simple. And if you guys would like to see a full tutorial, just let me know in the comment section down below. I peeled off the backing, and I did this very carefully because you don't want any of the pieces to come up. I went through it and used tape instead of transfer paper or transfer sticker stuff because I didn't have any. And this stuff actually worked out pretty well. You just want to make sure you get a lot of the stickiness off by kind of like putting it on your hands or your leg or whatever, just to kind of get the stickiness off. That way the actual vinyl can transfer a lot easier. Then I went through and just transferred it onto my cup in the position that I wanted. I also went through and pressed down where the vinyl was with my pair of scissors, but you can use anything really to do that, a ruler, your own finger, just to make sure that the vinyl was really being pushed onto the cup. And as you can see, I was being very delicate and very careful when I was taking the tape off, trying not to peel off the vinyl with it. So this is where making the tape less sticky comes in handy. And this is actually where I really zoned out and just really enjoyed the process of peeling back the tape. The last thing I did to this cup was I added a little bit of detail to the back. This is just a little detail work that they have on their helmets, and so I wanted to add that as well, especially since it's based off of my original reference photo. Next, I decided to do Kylo Ren instead of Darth Vader. And I decided to do it in red since that's the color of his lightsaber. This is that red color I was mentioning before. I definitely don't recommend getting the red from the dollar store because every time I tried to cut an image out on it, it was not cutting very well and it was really hard to transfer. As you can see, there's some little like bubbles and stuff, and I did not like this color at all. So next I am doing the Imperial symbol, and I'm going to be putting this on the bottom of the cup. And again, I'm just getting the stickiness off the tape. And I know Pure 1 is showing through, but that's just another memory for me to have. Last but not least, I'm doing an R2-D2, which I went through and edited extensively. I took out all of the little details and made it as plain as possible. And I made it really big, and I didn't need to, but I really wanted just the head to be on my cup. And I didn't need the body after all, so I could have totally have deleted that, but here it is. It turned out really cute. I really like this one. And by the way, all the other colors that I've used for the vinyl from the dollar store were great. The black was the best, and then the white was the second best. And here's the finished product of all 3 of my cups. I had a lot of fun making these, and I definitely want to try making some more in the future. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Stay tuned for next week's video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!